Hey there, homeowners. Ready to elevate your bathroom space? Let's talk about why you need expert bathroom cabinet contractors for your remodel. First off, DIY might sound like a great way to save money, but did you know that DIY cabinet installation can often rack up hidden costs? Mistakes like incorrect measurements, water damage, and improper sealing can lead to repairs averaging $1,500 to $3,000. Yikes! Now let's dive into the benefits of hiring a professional. Experts bring experience, precision, and the right tools to the table. This means correct installation and fewer headaches for you. Plus, they complete projects faster, saving you time and boosting your home's value. Curious about the latest bathroom cabinet trends for 2025? Check these out: floating vanities for a modern, space-saving look. Natural wood finishes add warmth and texture. Bold colors like deep blues and blacks make a striking statement. Mixed materials combine textures like wood with marble or metal. And smart storage solutions? Think built-in charging stations and customizable organizers. Cool, right? No matter your bathroom size, there's an innovative solution. For small bathrooms, try corner vanities, over-the-toilet cabinets, and mirrored medicine cabinets. Medium bathrooms? Go for double vanities, tall linen cabinets, and combination units. In large bathrooms, consider custom built-ins, freestanding vanities, and his and hers stations. Don't forget about sustainability. Green materials like bamboo and reclaimed wood are not only durable but eco-friendly. They can increase your home's value and reduce environmental impact. Future-proof your cabinets with adjustable shelves and modular units. Choose high-quality, moisture-resistant materials and ensure proper ventilation to extend cabinet life. So, if you're in Hartford County or Northern Baltimore County and ready for a successful bathroom remodel, contact Steck Realty and Remodeling for a personalized quote. Their skilled professionals are ready to help you create a beautiful, functional bathroom space. Thanks for watching.